aquaculture saves livelihoods during this season. We go live to a fish farm on Central Luzon. Fish raising is provided to be a game changer for cost and families. Here are three more key benefits. Supply crate, rain or shine.
And reporter number 1. Unlike fishing at sea, fish farms don't stop during anihan, seasons, or cycles. Ponds and tasks keeps producing bangus and tilapia 24/7.
It's important. Markets have stable fish prices. No more fish is expensive today because of bad weather problems.
Benefit number 2, it basic increase in food production.
It's important. Filipinos with limited land can still earn and eat food. Perfect for rural areas and urban farms.
Benefit number 3, environmental control and fish life.
Your news reporter number 3. In fish farm, farmer can control water quality, feed and disease of fishes and aquatic resources or DFAR. Using proper pond management to prevent fish kills.